folks, this is ILC channel and now you are watching our learning video series. Do you remember English class in senior high school very well? If so, then you probably spot the flow in my sentence. If don't, then I'll give you a refresher. Florence King once said that the word very is actually the most meaningless word in English language and it always comes out. As for Mark Twain, he advised to the writers that every time you substitute them, every time you incline to the word very, is actually your writer will just delete it. There is always a stronger, a more vivid word to describe something and to replace the word very. Here I give you the list. The first one is words very accurate. For example, you're gonna say, I knew the very accurate angle at which my hat should sit in order to look stylish. The word very accurate should be replaced by exact. So the sentence would be, I know the exact angle at which my hat should tilt in order to look stylish. Second one is very slow. The word very slow, I'll give you an example. My phone had been repaired, but it's still very slow during the backup process. The word very slow should be replaced by the word sluggish. Then the sentence would be, my phone had been repaired, but it's still sluggish during the backup process. The third one is very fast. For example, my email received a very fast response from my professor. Then the word very fast should be replaced by the word swift. Then the sentence will be, my email received a swift response from my professor. The fourth one is very cute. For example, you're seeing someone cute guy and you just gonna say that your smile looks very cute. You should wear it more often. The word very cute should be replaced by the word adorable. Then you would say, your smile looks adorable. You should wear it more often. The last one is the word very loud. For example, ILC team secured the prize to very loud applause after the last round of tug of war. Then the word very loud would be replaced by the word thunderous. So the sentence will be, ILC team secured the prize to thunderous applause after winning the last round of tug of war. Okay, so that's all for our vocabulary lesson for today and see you on next video.